Good evening. Welcome to the weather update. It's 9:30. It's the 28th of May, Saturday. Relatively active day across our area. It was a showery Saturday. Even some thunderstorms out there. Looking at the sky now, you see it's starting to finally clear out. But we were to deal with some thunderstorms out there right now. There's not too much going on the radar, but if we look at the Ventus sky and rewind things a little bit, we'll show you what happened today. I would say there was a line that formed right around 1 o'clock. Wasn't a severe line, but it brings some heavy downpours. And they actually wound up closing Jones Beach over it, which is ridiculous, as you saw in my other post. I mean, and that's ridiculous because it was very brief. Obviously, I understand you can't have the air show when you have these kind of conditions, but to close the beach down for a quick-moving thunderstorm shower wasn't really even severe. You could see kind of the middle of the island kind of like missed out on this severe part. There was one part over the south shore, one part over the north shore. So we didn't get hit that hard, and then it kind of broke up into several cells. But then after that, throughout the afternoon, we had some more showers and thunderstorms pop up. A few more there. Here's some more around. Here's another cell around 4:30 that popped up. Most of these were just showers. There wasn't thunder and lightning with them. Just some heavy rain. Some scattered sprinkles, and then another one over there. Some interesting skies today, obviously. We're going to show you what it looked like outside today. Let's get that up there. So this is what it looked like here in the afternoon. You can see, again, some of that cirrus from the anvils spreading out there. And this is what the sunset was like, so it's pretty out there. And some nice cirrus clouds at sunset. You can see here's another look at the shower here, a shower in the distance at Twin Lakes. You can see if you look closely, there's a rainbow. And some more of what the sky looked like. And this evening, that shower you see here on the radar is this right here as the sun was setting in Rockville Center. So the other thing I want to show you some of these cloud formations that came with this. So we're going to look at the Port Jefferson Earth cam. I think we have to go back here. I don't know if this was it. Let's see. No, it was earlier. 2 to 3. So you can see this was the storm. Actually, this really looked really impressive. This is in the Port Jefferson. Look at that. Hey, get out of the way. Get out of the way. So you can see, look at that. That is really impressive. And that there is the thunderstorm. It was over the North Shore. I don't know if we got this cloud formation in Mineola because I was kind of inside and I was taking a nap at the time, so I didn't see if we got it or not. But this is beautiful. If you were on the North Shore, you would have actually had this whole beautiful cloud formation there, which is really, I know it's like a super wide angle lens, but still, that looks pretty amazing right there. This was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Port Jefferson, and you can see, look at that. Look at that thunderstorm move in there. Mainly just a shower, but heavy rain with a little bit of thunder and lightning in it. But pretty cool nonetheless. And if we go back to the other one, so you could just... Now it doesn't want to show the... There we go. If we go back to this one, you'll see as it would look like as it was rolling in. Let's pull this back a little bit because this is beautiful. Look at that. I wish I was on the North Shore to see that because that is absolutely beautiful. I should have been there. Maybe I would have gotten this type of cloud formation if I was in Port Washington. That is beautiful there. A beautiful cumulonimbus cloud you're looking at there. Absolutely beautiful. So, there you go. I'll provide the link below so you can check this out. But there, look at that. That is spectacular. So, I'm kind of... I would have been in awe if I was there. I wish I was there. I wish I was there because that would have been like, that is a beautiful picture right there. But anyway, now you got a chance to see what that looks like. And just Google Port Jefferson Earth Cam. You can look that up it'll be up for about 24 hours. But anyway, let's take a look at our current conditions outside right now. Put our observations, which I should have already put up on the screen, which I didn't. And we all know this site wants to be really slow, but you can see temperatures are in the mid-60s. 66 at Islip, dew point 63. Let's take a look and see what the day was like at Islip. And you will see here that you can see that there was some thunderstorm there with some heavy rain that came through. See, the dew points were up in the 60s and They still are. It's still kind of humid out there. The dew points haven't come down yet that much. So let's go over our highs for the day, and then we'll look at the precipitation amounts, but we're not going to use this site for it. So you can see highs generally in the mid to upper 70s across the area, and a little warmer as you head to the southern part of New Jersey. We'll go and look at wind to ground as well, and look at the precipitation amounts for the day, and you will see where the heavier rain hits. So yeah, we kind of got gypped in the central part of Nassau. We got only about, look at that, less than a quarter of an inch. But if you go toward the North Shore, they got to hit harder. They got more like a half an inch, as well as the South Shore did as well. And Port Jefferson here, where they were, it doesn't look like they got anything, but that cell was really impressive. I think the one of the northern part of it was really impressive. That was beautiful. So hopefully maybe some of you got to see a good thunderstorm today. I wish I had seen that cloud formation. I was not paying attention, unfortunately. I was doing, was not expecting. I mean, I was trying to look. I can't see anything from here. You know, I saw a view in an alley, so I didn't know it was coming. Just had a downpour with a little bit of distant thunder, and that was it. But you can see that's what the rainfall amounts look like. So let's go look at the models here, and we're just going to talk about the next 2 days. All right. And the good news is we're going to have nice weather for the next 2 days. So let's look at the HRRR 0Z model, which we have up here right now. And you'll see no precipitation at all. We're not going to be dealing with any precipitation at all, which is good news. Looking at the dew point and wind flow, you'll see drier air does eventually work its way in by tomorrow morning. We'll have dew points in the 50s. North winds becoming south, light winds, and then we have a southerly flow developing, and then on Monday, you'll see that we will have a southerly flow. The good news is that should keep us cooler and keep the heat away, the hottest temperatures away, and the South Shore will be the place to be. You'll be roasting if you're in New Jersey. So let's go look at the temperature forecast. And your temperature forecast tonight, by morning, we'll probably have temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. And tomorrow, highs in the mid-70s. Maybe closer to 80 in New Jersey. You'll see that sea breeze come in. That'll cool things off, especially if you're on the South Shore. Tomorrow night, lows around 50, probably around 60 here in Mineola because, you know, I'm in the urban desert here. And for your Monday, highs probably low 80s, North Shore, around 80, middle of the island, South Shore 70s, and you'll be well into the 80s on Monday in New Jersey. Now let's go look at the skies, using the RGM for that. So here is the RGM for your tomorrow, and you'll see we should have mostly clear skies, it looks like. Maybe a few clouds over southern Jersey. You should have mostly, maybe a patchy cloud or two. But other than that, it should be plenty of sunshine. Should be a really nice day. And Monday we'll also have plenty of sunshine as well. Maybe a little bit of cirrus, but I'm hoping we can see some blue sky. That would be nice. We definitely saw a little bit of that today between the puffy white clouds. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Have a good night.